and stationery. So this is the first question, that is, have you got any brothers or sister? It is related to the interview of Ben, right? The answer is yes, a younger brother called Max. The second one is, where were you born? In a small town called Franktown. What are you like? I'm quite a confident person. Who is your best friend? Mickey, we have known each other for a long time. Do you have a favorite sport? No, not really. So this was the work related to uh, Ben's interview with the English teacher. Okay, now we have learned some of the expressions. We have heard some of the expression in the interview, and I want you to learn the importance of these expressions. If you move to page number 11, you can see in the speaking tip, they have some of the expressions that are I really like. The second one is it make me angry. Then third one is sorry. Could you repeat that? Fourth one, what I meant was. Fifth one, I'm not very keen on. Number six, I don't think. Number seven, we both like. Number eight, I'm not sure if. All these expressions you must have heard in the interview, and you also can use in your own interview. Now they are asking to you to categorize. So question is, match the useful expression in the speaking tip box with the correct category below. Okay, the first category is checking for meaning. Second is correcting yourself. Number three is expressing likes and dislike. Number D is comparing. E is expressing opinions. Now, I'm going to give you a few minutes to check it. Can you relate these? Can you categorize these expressions? Expressions are given in the speaking tip box. Okay, the first one is they have already done for you, that is checking for meaning. And it is, sorry, could you repeat? Could you repeat that? Now see the answers if you have done it. Checking for meaning. Number three, that is, sorry, could you repeat that? Then correcting yourself. What I meant was. Then C's expression is expressing likes and dislike. When you express your likes and dislike, you can use the expressions I really like, or you can say I'm not very keen on. This is number 1 and 5. Comparing. When you compare one person with the other, just like we both like reading comics, or we both like playing computer games. So the expression number 7 is for comparing. It is falling on comparing category. Then expressing opinions. So number 2, number 6, and number 8 are falling in that category. That is, I like, it make me angry, I don't think, I'm not sure if. So these are the expressions you have learn to use in your interview. So where they are used, the slides are in front of you. You can write the answers on the book, page number 11. If you have done, we will move to the other page. Okay, now this is activity 7. It is about the questions, preparing questions. Questions using prompts. So if we see, as you have already learned, that interview is an constructed or a planned thing, conversation, constructed or a planned conversation, one-to-one conversation. So see, when you have to plan a conversation, you come with some of the question. If a journalist is going to interview a player or a celebrity, he's coming with some questions. Instead of writing the complete question, he can use this prompt to make question. First is, have brothers and sister. So what the question could be? Have you any brothers and sisters? Okay, in the same way, look at the second one, where born. If you have this prompt, you can write, where were you born? Number 3, what like? It is about personality. What are you like? Please keep on writing your answer in the chat box. Number 4, who best friend? I'm waiting for your answer, hurry up. Okay, number 4 is who best friend, that is who is your best friend. Yeah, who are your best friends? Number 5, what favorite subject? What is your favorite subject? What favorite sport? What is your favorite sport? What favorite things? What are your favorite things? So this is the way you can write the questions. You can prepare the question for an interview. So far you have learned under the heading of an interview. We will go through it once again. You have learned how to order the topics. The topics you are going to talk about, you have learned how to make an order of those topics. Then you have learned the vocabulary, you have learned the useful expressions which you may use for giving the interview. Then if you are taking an if you are having an interview with the uh, with someone, you can make some of the prompt questions. So this is the way you can prepare it. Now I want you to if you can have an interview with your parents. So you can interview your parents or maybe your cousin, anyone you like. Now this was the topic about the interview. Now the new topic we are going to start is favorite things. Obviously every person have some favorite things. We like to use favorite thing, we like to do favorite things, we like to read favorite books, favorite activities are there. So there are many of the things we do under the heading of favorite things. Here they had given you one of the uh, reading for you that is about Bethany's story. So Bethany, uh, see, if you look at this one, page number 12, you can see that one. They want you to read it. It is about a girl named Bethany. Bethany is a professional surfer from Hawaii. At the age of 13, a tiger shark attacked her, biting off her left arm. She was rushed to hospital, and despite losing 60% of the blood in her body, she survived. Not only that, but Bethany was determined to surf again, and a few months later, she was back on her boat. In 2004, she wrote about her experience in an autobiography, Soul Surfer, which was made into a major film in 2011. Today, she is a world class surfer and an inspiration to us all. So, this was the favorite thing Bethany has written about herself. If you look at page number 12, there is a there is my page in which Bethany has written her favorite activities about herself and about her favorite things. Now children, see, this is Bethany's my page. So there are different headings given to you, that is name, date of birth, town, family, like, dislike, personality, my per perfect day, favorite thing, my favorite season, favorite smell, favorite taste. Okay, so we'll see what she has written in her favorite in her my page. So name is Bethany Hamilton. Date of birth is 8 February 1990. Uh, town city is Lihue, Hawaii. Then family, two older brother, Noah and Timothy. Likes surfing, playing football, tennis, hiking, rollerblading. Then dislike having argument. Personality, cheerful, positive, generous. My perfect day, a warm, sunny day surfing with my friends and family. Favorite things, my most favorite thing of all is my tablet. I've downloaded some amazing apps. My favorite season, the summer, because I love going to the beach. I feel relaxed and happy. My favorite smell, I love the smell of sea. It exhilarating. My favorite taste, without a doubt, it has to be chocolate. Advice to other, do best in life. Find good in a bad situation and be kind to others. So in her bad situation, you have read that a tiger shark attacked and bite her arm. Now, in this bad situation, she didn't give up. She is still enjoying surfing. So, in the bad situation, you can find good. Okay, children, don't raise your hand. Just write any of your question or whatever you want to ask in the chat box. Okay, tomorrow we'll talk about your favorite things. So, you have to be prepared with your favorite things, your favorite season, your favorite taste, your favorite smell. So, your favorite personality, whatever it is, right? So, we will talk about it. Now, I want you to give you some homework. So I'm showing you a worksheet. See the first worksheet. This is complete the sentences about yourself. So as you have already learned the useful expressions in the speaking tip, so there are some of the expressions they had given to you. You have to complete them, right? Okay. The first expression is I really like. For example, I really like surfing, or I really like playing video game. So you have to come with your own, you have to write the sentence about yourself using these expressions. Number two is I'm not very keen on. I'm not very keen on music. Number three, I'm not sure if I could learn music. Number four, it makes me angry when someone interrupts me. I don't think. I don't think uh, I could play music. So you have to write about yourself. You can say, I don't think I could meet him again. So you can write in the chat box, or you can write uh, your answer on your rough copy. Okay, is it clear to you? Write in the chat box. Okay, I'll take your questions at the end of the lesson. Now look at this one. Read the profile and match them to the correct summary below. Now I'll will show you some of the profiles. I'll read them for you. And now see, they have given you some of the trait regarding to those profiles. You are very tidy, but a bit bad-tempered. You are hardworking and very confident. You are a very confident, outgoing, and active person. So these are the traits they had written about three of the person. So profile of those people are given to you. So I'm going to give you the profile of those person. Okay, the first profile is, I'm going to read, listen it carefully, and we will give you the worksheet, and it will be your homework, right? Hi, my name is Lucia and I am 11 years old. I am from Terra del Fuego, the land of fire in Argentina. I have got two brothers, and one is younger than me and the other one is older. We get on really well together because we all love sport. I'm the captain of the girls' basketball team at school. I have got lots of friends, and I have got a pet lizard called Bruno and a cat called Silky. So this is the first profile. Uh, you can note this profile in your classwork copy, right? And you can do the worksheet in your classwork copy, right? This is English A work, okay? Now, look at the second one. Hello, I am Tesne. I am from Thailand. I live with my parents and my brother and sister in the Samet Parakan province, about 30 kilometers south of Bangkok. I'm 12 years old and I love listening to pop music on the radio and reading cartoon books. At school, I enjoy helping my teacher and classmates to organize the classroom. We sweep and mop the classroom floor, recycle materials, and give out homework to our classmates. I get a bit angry when someone forget their homework, so perhaps I shall be a teacher when I grow up. Okay, now come to the third one. Hello, there I am Sam. Uh, there I'm Sam, and I'm from Bristol in England. I'm 12 years old, and I'm an only child. I have got lots of pets. My parrot's name is Errol, Ariel, and I have got a hamster too, called Fluffy. I love playing with them both. I'm studying a lot at that moment because I've got a maths and an English test this week. I'm sure I'm going to get top marks just like in the last exam. My hobbies are reading and training my parrot to talk. Now, see, children, the profiles are already added in your worksheet. Now, there are some of the questions related to the profile, but they are not in an organized form. They are in a jumble form. First of all, you have to uh, unjumble them. Then you have to answer them also. So it is already written that you have to make the question from the words they, given below, and then you have to answer them. So this is your homework. So it is right in front of you. First I will do for you. That is, what pet has Lucia got? Right? So you can add the answer in it as the profile is already given to you. Right, children? If you have any of the question, you can write in the chat box. Okay. Yes, Abu Bakr Zishan. You want to ask something? I can't hear you. Yes, Abdul Wahab. You're raising your hand. Teacher Amna, please unmute them. They want to ask some of the question. They are raising their hands. Are you listening to me? Unmute ही नहीं हो रही. Okay, write in the chat because I can't unmute you. Beta, I have read the profiles and I'll show you the worksheet at the end of the lesson, right? We will upload the worksheets. You can get the work from that one. Okay? Show profile 2. Beta, this is the profile 2 about Disney. Worksheets are will be uploaded, so you can get your work from that one. two of the homework I have assigned you. The first one, it was about the useful expression. So they had given you some of the expressions and they had asked you to complete those expressions about yourself. You have to talk about yourself. And the second one is about the profile. So we are going, here you can see the worksheet. We are going to upload it and you can get it from there and you can do it in your class for copy. And this is the second one. Profiles are also attached with it. And this is the worksheet you have to solve. Is the thing clear to you? If it is clear, write in the chat box. Worksheet, in the worksheet, you can get the profile too also. No, you are not going to do it online. You have to do it in your copy. We will come with the answers in the next class. This is English A work. Tomorrow we will do English B work. Yes, beta, in your class for copy. Hope so everything is clear to you. This is just for the revision of profile, right? You can also write the profile of these as the pattern is already given in your book, just to have a good grip on it. No need to use English B copy. This work should be entered in English A copy. So worksheet will also be uploaded and you can get the work from there. Okay. Beta, don't repeat the same question. Listen it carefully, what I'm telling you. These two worksheets are English A work and we will upload the worksheets. Upload the worksheets. You can get it from there, okay? You have your Anthonian Kent channel, so you can subscribe it and you can get the work from there. Is it clear to you? You may practice the profile also in a written form to have a good grip on it. No need to print it. So it is better if you use your copy. Okay, time is now running out. So I have to say goodbye to you and we will meet again in the next class. Hope the things are clear to you. St. Anthony's, Kent. Sorry, Anthonian Kent. Anthonian Kent is the site where you have to find it. Okay, thank you. God bless you all.